Now, this is where it starts to get interesting. As I said earlier, the crank pins are perfectly parallel, and they are. And inside the end of the cylinders, there is, as Basil Harley states, a ball and socket. And clearly there is. I think we can actually see them. Let me get this a little bit better. Hold on. Yeah, there we can see the ball and socket. Now, the interesting bit about this ball and socket is it doesn't allow the piston to move up and down on the ball and socket, and on the top we can see, yeah, there we are, an inlet and outlet steam porthole drilled from the side. Can you see there at the top, and the exhaust on the back. So there's two steam holes each side on the piston. Oops, fell off. Where is it now? Yeah, here we go. Right, and there's the other piston there. Now the two portholes look to me to be hand drilled, because they're not both exactly the same. They're similar. Now also, if you can see in the top, there's a solid top to the piston, but it's hemispherical, dished out sort of a shape. Now, the piston, as I said, will move, but only in a diagonal, as you can see, fashion. So inside it won't move anything other than this 45 degrees diagonal movement. So inside the ball and socket, I can only surmise there's a peg which goes inside a slot in the top of the piston. Let's just do this again. Yeah, look, 45 degree twist on the piston. Nothing more, nothing less. So hopefully, for those that wonder how the Bowman Bryant engine works, it doesn't work by skewed crank pins. It works by the piston twisting by 45 degrees. Let's just do this one here. In its socket. So there is a ball and socket inside the piston, but it's all soldered up, and the only action we can do is this 45 degrees twisting movement. Anyway, I hope this helps, because I've had this in the garage for years. I don't particularly want it, but I read some articles on YouTube about the Google about how it works, and saw a couple of engines on YouTube. I just hope this helps someone. I don't want the engine at all, but I was curious. Goodbye.